Are you like many buyers looking for that perfect family home to call your own in the 2024 market? Well, you're going to want to take this tour with me while I take you through 52 Westcliff in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta, in a beautiful city that is only 15 minutes from Sherwood Park and 20-minute commute to Edmonton. This property really doesn't have it all. With over 2,000 square feet of above living space, plus a walkout basement, a private, mature yard. We are only 1 block away from the North Saskatchewan River and all its trails. This community, Fort Saskatchewan, has a ton of amenities and is very close to some huge projects that are happening in the Alberta area. This property has 3 bedrooms above grade plus a main floor bedroom and tons of space for that family to call home. So take a tour with me, Karen Stanko with RE/MAX, while I show you what you can buy in Fort Saskatchewan. It also has a triple car garage, and right now in the market, that is not even in existence. There is none for sale. So don't miss out, Karen Stanko with RE/MAX. Thanks for joining. Welcome to 52 West Park, a stunning home with a triple car garage located only 1 block away from the North Saskatchewan River and all its beautiful trails. This property really does have it all. It has tons of parks, it is close to a school, and it is an easy commute to anywhere that you want to go. Fort Saskatchewan is located 25 kilometers northeast of Edmonton, which is the provincial capital of Alberta. This home has a ton of things to offer, including 4 bedrooms in total, a walkout basement, a mature lot. It really does have a beautiful setting in a quiet cul-de-sac, soaring ceilings, hardwood, open concept with a living space with a cozy gas fireplace and a bright, airy kitchen. Tons of windows throughout this home. There is a 2-piece bathroom on the main floor, as well as an additional bedroom, a walk-through pantry with laundry, and also a den/office space, perfect for a playroom, or if you are working from home, it is great. It has some stainless steel appliances and a massive deck that overlooks the mature trees and the private backyard. Moving on upstairs, you will find 3 spacious bedrooms, a full 4-piece bathroom, and a large primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and a 4-piece ensuite with a cozy soaker bathtub and a corner shower. Close to Sturgeon County, this property has tons of things to offer if you are looking for a family home. There is a walkout basement with vinyl plank flooring, bright and airy, and also stamped concrete, fully fenced yard. Beautiful location. Call this yours today. It is air conditioned and has so much to offer with custom blinds, rounded archways, ceramic flooring, towering ceilings, fully fenced yard, a storage shed, close to schools and the Wetland Conservation Area. You're really going to not want to miss out on this. The best part about it is it has a triple garage, and there is nothing like that being offered in the Fort Saskatchewan market. Call this yours today, Karen Stanko with RE/MAX.